Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add expenses in Gusto. So first head over to app.gusto.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, click on Pay. Then under it, click on Expenses. First from here, make sure that you turn on Expenses. So under the customization section, make sure that you click on the edit link or button, then switch from disabled to enabled. Then click on save. So once turned on, we can just head back to pay and expenses once again. And here you can now see the add expense button. So all you have to do is click on this and add in details about this expense. Start by selecting a team member, then next, add in the date of expense, then the category, and add in description, and of course, the amount of expense. You can also attach a receipt, but this is optional. And here are the file types that is acceptable. Then once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!